Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm sharing with you my first Indomie noodles recipe, and I'm going to be using just one pack of the 70-gram ones. I always tell people I only eat one pack, and they're always like, how's that even possible? It's so tiny. The reason it's possible is that I add all sorts of vegetables and I add eggs in it to make it more healthy and give me a fuller plate of food. Now apparently there are people who say that bell peppers are fruits and not vegetables, but culinarily speaking, it is vegetables for today. Now, Indomie is quite high calorie, which is very weird because there's about 300 calories in this small pack of noodles. But that's why you have all the vegetables to help you make it a full plate of food and still make it a bit healthy. Now, let's get right into the fun part. Now, here I have the Indomie noodle, a pack. Is it noodles if it's a pack? And I'm going to be adding like 3 eggs. They are kind of small. I always make that excuse. And I'm adding like chopped garlic, curry powder, thyme powder, garlic pepper, which is an amazing type of seasoning, and my powdered chili pepper. And for the vegetables, I have my onions chopped, my red bell peppers, the green ones, and the tomatoes. Now for quantity, just do what your heart desires. Now I'm going to crack my eggs real quick. Right, 3 eggs. You can do 2 if you want, or you can do 4 if you're worse than me, but I'm only using 3 eggs today, and I'm only seasoning it with garlic pepper, and I'm going to be scrambling it in just a bit. Keep watching. So here I have my pan. Is that a wok? I think so. But here I have my pan, and I've put in some oil, and then I'm going to scramble the eggs real quick. Of course, you should wait till your oil is hot. I kinda didn't, but it was on high heat, so it didn't take time to catch up. Right. So the eggs are nice and scrambled. I'm just going to take them out. Now for this recipe, you can see I'm only using 1 pot, so it's kind of economically efficient when you think about the energy that goes into washing the pots and all those things. Okay, now I'm going to fry the vegetables. Now what happened here is that I did a whole fancy thing about how I'm putting the different types of vegetables into the pan and all of that. It was really colorful and nice, and then I discovered that I had my camera turned off. It's the most painful thing, because for cooking you can't go back and make it right. It's already in the pan and it's frying. So for this, I'm just adding thyme, curry, and a little bit of garlic pepper. Right, I'm going to let that fry, and then for about a minute, and then add the garlic, the chopped garlic. That kind of has a habit of burning easily, so I did not want to leave it for a long time there. So the entire frying time for the vegetables was about 3 minutes. No biggie here. You should really be done cooking this in about 5-10 minutes, so it's really quick. Look at the gorgeousness in that plate, right? And now I'm going in with about a cup of water, 1.5 cups. Technically, it depends on how soggy you want your noodles. I don't really like mine too soggy, but I also like it to be soft, right? I don't like hard ones. So I'm just going to let it cook down, right? Let it cook down a bit. Keep stirring, guys. I don't want to keep you watching me just stirring, but keep stirring. And then add the Indomie seasoning that came with it. And that I'm only going to be adding my powdered chili and some garlic pepper. This is because of all the vegetables that are going in. If you were making the noodles by itself, you wouldn't need to add extra seasoning, right? So I'm just going to stir that together. Leave it to cook for about a minute. Add in the scrambled eggs, and that's it. You have yourself an amazing plate of food. Your stomach is happy, I'm happy, you're smiling while you're leaving a comment and giving me a thumbs up. I know that because I actually ate the noodles and it was amazing. So if you like this video, just give me, I keep saying us, it's us, it's our kitchen, but keep leaving the thumbs ups and the likes here and there. And that juice, that's grapefruit juice, it's amazing. But you can have this plate of food with whatever kind of juice that you have. But yeah, I'm happy about this recipe. My stomach was happy. I'm sure your stomach will be happy too. So feel free to dig in at any time. And thank you for being here as usual. And let's meet here same time next week Friday. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Bye bye.